vibes, I'm not allowed. Vibes, I'm not allowed. You're acting kind of weird.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start, I just want to say that the content is going to be mixed up as of now until Saturday due to the fact that I don't want to keep playing the same rhythm game 5 days in a row and not at least switch up the content a little bit. So today we are going to be playing a little Roblox game because I'm going to be honest, I caved and didn't really know what else to play. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and on to it. Okay, hello everybody, welcome to another video. Yeah, so today we're going to be playing Jujutsu Shenanigans. Honestly, I think the best way I can describe this game is a little, like, fighting game, you know, if you're familiar with most Roblox games that are fighting games. So, yeah, honestly, I'm just going to kind of jump in there and try and be a menace. Try and beat people up, just to beat them up, even if they're not beating me up, or they haven't touched me, because I'm a little goofy guy. So, yeah, I'll see you all in there. Okay, hello everyone. We're in the game now. So, yeah, honestly, let's just go look for our first victim. What is going on over here? Why are they flying? Oh my gosh. What is happening? Why do they have a gun? Oh, nah. Oh, they're parkouring. Hey. Am I going to feel bad for this? Absolutely. But it has to happen. Whose domain expansion? Oh my god, I got caught in their own domain. I got caught in their domain. What is happening? Oh my gosh, I just got evaporated. I was just caught in dude's domain for no reason. I just got evaporated. Holy crap. Come on. Ooh, don't try to run up that wall now. Where are you going? Oh. Am I about to get my butt whooped? I feel a butt whooping. I feel a whooping coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, I missed. Oh my gosh. No way. What the? Ow. Oh, I'm low. I don't know what's happening. Oh my gosh, so much was going on right there. I'm dead. I'm very dead. Wow. So much just happened in that one flipping moment, dude. What the? No! What is happening? Okay. I'm gonna switch characters here. I don't know who to play, though. Should we play Vessel? Let's try Vessel. Oh, okay. Let's try Vessel. Actually, yeah, let me get this out of the way for y'all. Okay, and now it's doing this. Okay, there we go. Okay. Who wants to fight me? I don't know how my manji kick. I don't know how that works, but I guess let's find out. You know? Oh, this is song. This is a bumping song. Oh, hey guys. Oh, whoa. This guy looks really good at playing his character. Yo, if he throws it. You're mine. Come here. Ow. No. I don't know how my manji kick works, dude. Oh, he's using Toto. Ow, he just threw a trash can at me. That's so lame. Just threw a trash can at me. Ow. get elbow dropped? Just got elbow dropped from the top rope. Ow. 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 What is this guy's avatar, bro? What? Yeah, in the pool. Oh, nah. I don't do jumping. I don't do the jumping. Nah. You got that. I don't do the whole jumping thing. Oof. Not for me. Oh. Go try and beat this guy up. Come here. Oh, you blocked my shit. Ow. Door. I'm gonna fall off the map. Ooh. Sly piece of poop. Just fell off the map. Come here, come here. Oh, oh, ow. Cannot believe I got caught in that. Come here. Ow. I'm behind you, bud. Oh! 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 Ow! Is he dead? Oh, mother trucker. No, why are you running? No, why are you running? No, why are you running? Oh my gosh. Oh, well, they're stuck in that. I'm just gonna make my leave. Yeah, no, I'm not doing this. I'm gonna skedaddle. Oh my lord. I ran into a wall like an idiot. I'm not paying attention. My gosh. Dude's getting his butt whooped. I guess. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, dang. Ooh. Oh no. I'm just gonna start beating up whoever wins. I see he won. Just gonna start beating him up. Ow. Nah, but did you just take my darn kill, buddy? Oh, okay. I can't even. There we go. What the? Nice. I'm just so dead. Okay. Nice, bro. That's just so fun. Alrighty. Should we play? We already played Head High. I think we should try Curse Partners out here. Let's give it a shot here. Oh. Okay, they're going at it. Okay. Well, I don't know how to break domains, so just gonna let them do their thing. Oh, I see somebody else playing the same character over there. Interesting. Oh, someone was on top of the domain. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, innocent bystanders. You know what that means. I choose you. Oh, I didn't mean to start. I didn't mean to hit the other guy. Wow, this guy is just really... just gonna sit here and let me do my thing. Nice. Is he dead? Oh, he's dead. Well, damn. Okay, mother trucker. I think he knew I was going to be behind him. What the heck? What is that? Oh my gosh. I actually hate fighting in, like, houses so much. Oh, he fell. Guys, we gotta chase after him. Okay. Either he was about to come up, and it was unfortunate timing. Ow! Get caught. I'm stuck in the wall. Yo, what is this guy doing? Genuinely, what is this guy doing? This guy thinks he's so cool, bro. I've never used this character before. We're gonna try him out on this random dude. Oh, okay. Oh. Come on now. Come on now. Don't be scared. What does this do? Oh. It was a kick. Shutter doors. Oh. Am I tough? Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. Ooh, bro. Ow. Dude, he's kicking the fucking thing at me, dude. Yeah, move out the way, bro. Move, bro. Oh, okay. Bro, this guy needs to move, bro. No one's fighting you, bro. No one's fighting you, bro. Like, get a job, bro. I'm not petty. I'm gonna wait. I'm not weird like this guy, bro. I'm not a weirdo. Alright, come on. Okay, bro. What are we doing? What happened after I just said I don't do this jumping thing? Why? Why are we now collectively jumping the dude? Let's try to switch her out. Let's give him a go. See. I see somebody down here, so let's just waltz our way over. Prance around like nothing's about to happen. Cough, cough. Hello, excuse me, Ron Guy 2025. May I start beating you up? I'll take this as a yes. What in the world is this? Why is there a random... You know what? I'm just not gonna ask. Nice. I think he's dead now. What's going on over here, guys? Oh my, what is that avatar? Not for me, not for me. What is that avatar? Hello, random citizen. Why are you running away from me? Let's go random citizen. Ow. Ow. This is hurting. What? Are you so for real right now? What do you want? Same dude, by the way. Keeps jumping me the entire time, bro. Like, look at this, bro. He just doesn't hop off. I'm on that. Hello? Hello? Oh my. That's just gonna be hecka weird, bro. Nice. You just sat there and let me bleed out, bro. This guy's so weird. We back to this? Or should we go defense? Nah, we back to this. We back to this. I think I need to unlock that weird sidekick thing that I think I see other people using this with. So, what is it, Rika? Yeah, that thing. To unlock that. Where are you going, bud? Yeah, where do you think you're going, Budmeister? Not today, pal. Not today. Oh my gosh. He's getting strays. Ow. No, I'm catching strays. Is he gonna jump down? Come on. Oh my gosh, what a scaredy cat, dude. Hey, I'm still locked onto him, though. Yo, I'm still locked onto him, though. Oh my gosh, wait. I'm so chasing after him. Just throw that gosh darn thing at me, I dare you. Am I still locked onto him? I found you. Actually, this looks like a whole different person. Yes! This guy's lost! What the fuck? I don't do the whole jumping thing. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh. This guy just came out of nowhere. Ow. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh, what a block. No. Oh, he didn't expect to wake up. Oh, okay. Ooh. Hello. What happened to my move, dude? Come on. Hello? How do you catch me mid-flippin' thing? Like, what the heck? This guy just plays so aggro. Where the hell did UG come from? There. What the hell-a-roni? Oh my freaking god, dude. Oh my lord. Oh, I have my thingy. Actually, I'm gonna go use this on someone. Where's that one guy, dude? I hate that one guy. I wanna pop my thingy on that one guy. Just because I hate him. He keeps jumping into my fight. Found you! Which is funny, because I'm gonna jump into his fight now. Wrong guy. Come on now. I got a little thing with me now. Oh, I just aimed my beam in the wrong area. It didn't do my thingy. What the hell just happened? Alright, whatever. That's alright. Alright, well, let's see how this works. Let's see if my mouse is super fast. My mouse is very fast. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the video there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of y'all's day. I will see you all in the next one.